present to you our all-in-one solar street light. Why would you want to fix a solar street light? This light you see here can perform the function of a security light in your compound. You can put them along the street to your house. If you are a philanthropist, you are a senator, you are a House of Rep member, you are a politically exposed person, or you are somebody in the society that wants to support your people, you can put this light on the street and lighten up for them, or in the market, or in the school compound, or in the church compound, to lighten up the environment even when there is no light. Now, as an individual, you can save yourself a lot of energy, the cost of buying electricity, especially with the recent increment in the electricity bill. You can save yourself a lot of money by installing this. The sun charges it during the day, and at night it comes on automatically. Okay, this is the back of the light. Now, some of them come in this carton, some may come in this red carton, some may come in different other cartons. All of them are the same, whichever color it comes. Even the light, some come black, some come gray, but they are all the same. This one is a 90 watts capacity. Okay, now the way this light functions is, once you install it, it receives energy from the sun during the day, and then during the night it comes on automatically, and daytime it goes off. It has remote control that you can use to control the mode. You can make it to be on permanently, then it comes on during the day, at night it goes off, or you can even hibernate in such that it's only when somebody passes through there that it can come on, and after some minutes or seconds it will go off. This remote comes in some of them, and then this one comes in some other models. Whichever one that comes with yours, they are all the same, they perform the same function. Before you install, on it from here, this place, and then this is the sensor. So you on it from here to put it on. You can see how bright this light is. Okay, because I put the light behind it, it's seeing it as a daylight. If I remove this light now, it comes on, it brightens up. You see the way it came on. If I put the light behind it, it sees that the day has broken. There is sunlight now, so it goes up. The moment I remove this light from it, you see it brightens up. Once you install it, all you need is just leave it there. The sun does the work for you. We have limited quantities. I will encourage you to place your order now. The more quantity you buy, the more the discount you enjoy from us. We import them, and so we can afford to give you at wholesale price. People who want to buy from us to resell, you can also buy in huge quantities to supply or to resell. Okay, you click the button you see as shop now there. It will lead you to the website where you have full details. You can now fill the form there, your name, your phone number, your delivery address, everything you see there. Just fill it up, and then we'll call you to contact to verify your order, the quantity you want to indicate it there, and then we'll process your order. Free is free of charge. Okay, there are certain quantities you may order that we may require you to make some deposit, but most of the time we don't need any deposit from you. Majority of the time we send it to you, but there are some huge quantities we do also that will require some initial deposit. When we bring it to you, you pay the balance. I hurry up now that we have the discounted price ongoing sales now before it is finished. Thank you so much. You can install this light in your garden, in your church premises, in the mosque premises, in schools, in your homes, on the streets, the market street. Amount of money. Any further inquiries you need to make, you can call our phone number, which is on our website or on this page wherever you're viewing this. The phone number